Well, what's going on, everybody? Yeah, it's been a few minutes. Easton, back. He wants to go play with the calves. But anyway, sorry I haven't posted anything for a while. Been busy. I'll show you in a minute what I got going on in the shop. And here comes the cows. Well, pretty dry. We got an inch of rain. Oh my gosh. Monday, I think it was. Tuesday night. Rained for about 45 minutes, cats and dogs. It poured. But yeah, it just went right in the ground. It's pretty dry. We could use some more, that's for sure. Anyway, I got my loader tractor in here. And I'll show you here what we got going on. Yeah, I got tools all over the floor. We're not done yet. She thinks she's gonna get fed, that's why she's bawling. But yeah, this main steering assembly broke. And we had to heat it up pretty good to get it off of there. So anyway, here's the new one. See if I can get this out here one-handed. Whoop. So I had to order that pin, and that goes right here in a couple of bushings. One goes on top, one goes on the bottom. This is the old pin. I could have cleaned it up and used it, but since I could order some more new stuff, that's what I got. So yeah, fun times. But this links all the tie rods together, and your main steering arm that comes out of the right there, that's a hydraulic cylinder for your power steering. So that's what we got going on, and it goes, let's see if I can show y'all, right down through that hole right there. What are you doing? Anyway, that's what I got going on. Whoop, water's overflowing. I know it's been a minute since I posted anything, but like I said, been busy. And wintertime is coming on. Grass is slowing down. And just trying to clean things up a little bit. Calves are growing. And anyway, just figured I'd post y'all a little update. Been riding the bike back and forth to work, but I'm trying to get as much riding time as I can. Because the next thing you know, that white stuff is going to be flowing out of the sky. And I'm not looking forward to that. That old cow's bawling because she wants something to eat, but I'm not going to feed her till the morning. But yeah, this old tractor I bought from a neighbor up the road, and it's been a good tractor. Got my little 454 in here. As soon as I get this blue tractor out, I'm gonna split that 454 and put a clutch in it. Hopefully with some neighbors' help. So I can get her split, but I can take things apart, but putting stuff back together ain't my thing. So anyway, I gotta finish getting ready for work and get things loaded up. I actually wore my chaps and heavy coat this morning. I gave the Iron Horse a bath there Sunday night and went for a ride. My Miss Linda is out of town tonight. So I gotta get in the house and make my lunch. Well, y'all have a good night. I gotta go out here and get my mail. Go in the house and fix me a little snack to take with me tonight and get on down the road. I hope y'all have a good day, good night, good week. What's today? Oh, today is actually Wednesday. Yeah. Today's the middle of the week. They say hump day. So, the cows and calves are just a ball. Feed me, feed me. Heck, they got hay out there to eat. So anyway, y'all stay out of trouble, and we'll talk to y'all later.